How to cancel a Lyft ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Lyft ride easily. Now you can do so easily on the application. Simply open up your Lyft app there and open up the account. Make sure you're logged into the account where you booked a ride before. Now here you'll get an interface like this. Now as you can see on the screen, Lyft is currently unavailable in my region, but however I'll show you how you can cancel it. What you want to do is, as you get the interface like this, simply tap on the trips option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here your settled trip will open up. Here you'll find the trip that you have, or if you just open up the homepage, if you have booked a ride there, you'll find it there. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the edit ride option that you'll find along with the ride option there, and once you tap on edit ride in the bottom left corner of the screen, then you want to tap the cancel ride option. Now simply tap on the cancel ride and you'll be able to cancel it. Now what you'll have to note is that you can also cancel a ride within the first 5 minutes after the pickup. Other than that, you'll be charged for cancellation charges. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.